Hey guys, welcome back to the Garden Diaries. Today is a very exciting day. I had my first harvest of radish here in my garden. I need to try this type. Anyway, it's a great day out in the garden, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. Since I did a big harvest today, I think I'm gonna plant some more seeds and just get things ready for the next cycle. Okay, I have some basil here and I desperately need to repot it. I'm just gonna fill all the pots. Now we are officially gardening. My hands are dirty. As you can see, I've repotted my basil. This is my second round of seedlings. I'm gonna put these on my windowsill, I think, until it gets warmer outside. But I would highly suggest picking up a pack of basil seeds. They're pretty easy to grow. Just put about like 9 or 10 seeds in each cell. And each basil plant at the garden center is worth around $5, give or take. So right here that's $50 worth of basil plants right here on my patio. I grew from home, grew from seeds, super easy. And I've got plenty more coming, guys. So if you're really into pesto making, this is the way I would suggest to do it. And if you could smell this right now, you would be on your way to the garden center to buy some seeds, for sure. Here's the first strawberry flower of 2022. It's another day, and today I'm starting more seeds like I said I wanted to. So I want to do some borage. Great for bumblebees, great for hummingbirds. I think I wanted to start some black-eyed Susans because I like the way they trail and I can stick them somewhere. Nasturtiums to go behind my peas. Some more calendula, zeolites, and Pacific Beauty. I like those. Oh, the cucamelons. So these probably should have been started a while ago because I think they take a while, but I'm gonna try and start them anyway because I have the seeds. I'm back. I decided to fill 3 trays. Okay, I think let's start with some nasturtiums. I was really excited about these because they have variegated leaves. These are called Trailing African Queen. I'm putting 2 seeds in a few of these. Let's plant some black-eyed Susans. 1/4 inch deep. Just gonna plant a 6 cell of these. I love seeing what different seeds look like. These look like little miniature acorns or little snails or something. I'm gonna put 2 in each cell, for sure. I almost wanna put 3 of these. I don't know why. I'm gonna plant some cucamelons, 1 inch deep. We'll definitely put 2 in each. Yes, arugula. These sprout so fast. These are like the fastest growing plant I've ever grown. I like to tag things with tape because I find that I often will bump the tags out and they'll fall off. Stick it somewhere on the lip. And over here we have arugula. Yay, another tray, how exciting. Ooh, I have Italian parsley. Let's plant some of that too. So yeah, let's do some Italian parsley and some basil. And I like to put like 8 to 10 seeds in each cell. Last tray. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna plant in this. Let's plant some more calendula. We'll just do 2 rows. Try some zeolites. There's some people who are starting their sunflowers from seed in a tray. Maybe I could try that. Why not? Let's give it a try. This is solar power. That's the variety. They grow to be, how big do they grow? 5.5 inch tall, or 5.5 feet tall. Planting the rest with these zinnias. I'm just gonna pop 2 in each cell. You wanna make sure you give them a really good drink.
I don't know what I'm meant to feel anymore.
Good morning, guys. It's still pretty early. The sun's just coming out. My stepdaughter and I are gonna go over to our little community plot and we're gonna start planting some cut flowers this morning before she has to go to school.
If you're up there watching, start the show. Say it's
A little
over,
bit
my
closer.
friend. How long until the end? 'Cause I'm past the point where
Snow puff cosmos. We got.
Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Let's plant them thick. Or not. Do I have anything else, or is that it?
That
The hollyhock. Where should we plant
right
it?
in the middle, because then we can put seeds all around it.
Yeah.
Are we going to plant?
Oh, maybe they're not in that one.
No, you just gently cover them.
Yep. All right, that's gonna wrap up today's episode. That was kind of a little Mod Podge of a bunch of different tasks in the garden. It's my goal on this channel to really just inspire you. So if I'm able to inspire you, please go ahead, hit the notification bell, and then you'll be able to see my videos. Anyway, I should get back to work, but I will be out in the garden again very soon. And when I am, I'll be sure to bring you guys with me. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.